Well, can I firstly say I'm thinking for the President and her family. All of us in public life have obligations to public life, but at the end of the day we're also human beings with family, with loved ones. I was very struck by the President's comments yesterday, because on a purely personal level, of course you'd be worried. And my heart goes out to President Connolly and her family, and indeed all of the families of those detained. What Israel has done is, in my view, illegal. It is, in my view, in breach of international law. Quite frankly, not even in my view, it is in breach of international law. You cannot take citizens of another country in international water and detain them. That is illegal. We don't need to try to suggest there's some sort of grey area here where there clearly isn't. It's actually quite black and white. My colleague, the Minister for Foreign Affairs and Trade, our embassies in the region, including in Tel Aviv, are working very intensively on this. What I would say is we have seen a number of flotillas at this stage, and many Irish citizens participate. So our system, I think, can be quite effective in terms of knowing what to do to get the best information. But our priority is obviously the safe return as quickly as possible of Irish citizens. We're at this long enough to know that Israel doesn't really care very much for people's words, does it? I mean, the Government of Ireland, the Minister for Foreign Affairs, our excellent ambassador in Tel Aviv, and everybody's very clear. Everybody in this country, our President, our Taoiseach, every member of our government, our opposition, we have been very clear in calling out the horrific activities we've seen carried out by Israel in Gaza over the last period of time, the genocide that has taken place in relation to Gaza. But, you know, unfortunately, Israel seems to ignore the condemnation of the international world, and that's why I think it's important that we look at the actions that can be taken. It's why we've been working through Helen McEntee at a European level in terms of the sanctions on the violent settlers in the West Bank. That was good progress that was made at a European level, first time we've seen that. It's why we're pushing for further action at an EU level too. It's why we've supported the work of the ICJ. It's why we're committed to an occupied territories bill.